लाखों ठोकरों के बाद भी संभलता रहूंगा, गिर कर फिर से उठूंगा और चलता रहूंगा। नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू हेडलाइंस ऑफ द डे। इस वीडियो में हम फोकस करेंगे इंडियन एक्सप्रेस के ऊपर और आज की हमारी पहली इंपॉर्टेंट हेडलाइन है आंध्रा's guaranteed pension scheme model catches the attention of center. It is available on page number 3 and here related paper to polity and governance. In this article we have to know what is the Jaganna government model and why this model resonates. So friends, guaranteed pension scheme model has been proposed by the Jagan Mohan Reddy in Andhra Pradesh, and officials of the union government has attracted to this model because it combines the elements of both the old pension scheme and new pension scheme. बाकी फ्रेंड्स, इससे रिलेटेड कुछ कंटेंट हमारी वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल है, तो आप वहां से देख लीजिएगा। उसके अलावा कुछ पॉइंट्स आप यहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं। ठीक। Our next important headline is Kerala has a drug problem. 300% jump in cases over 6 years. Arrest increased 90%. It is available on page number 7 and here related to paper 3 internal security. Say this article we have to know what are the major reasons for drug abuse in India, impacts and legal provisions in India and the world, and suggestions. So friends, data show that police registered more than 26,000 cases under Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act in 2022, which is a jump of over 300% when compared to 2016. बाकी फ्रेंड्स, इसको हमारी वेबसाइट पे बहुत अच्छे से कवर किया गया है, लिंक भी अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में। ठीक। Our next important headlines are toll to development and a silent strike on the poor. They are available on page number 12 and 13 and here related in paper 3 economy section से in these articles we have to know about key highlights of recent budget, focused areas, issues and suggestions. तो दोस्तों, इसको हमारी वेबसाइट पे और यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी बहुत अच्छे से कवर किया गया है, तो आप एक बार वहां से देख लीजिएगा। ठीक। Our next important headline is an embattled green. It is available on page number 12 and here related to paper 3 environment section से in this article we have to know about the challenges to hydropower projects in Himalayas, environmental impacts and what are the alternatives and what lies ahead. So friends, hydropower is often considered green energy because it generates electricity from the natural flow of water without releasing any emissions or pollutants, and it also does not rely on fossil fuels. However, environmental impact of hydropower can vary depending on projects and the ways in which they are implemented, and large-scale hydroelectric dams impact local ecosystems and communities. They displace people and result in loss of habitat for fish and other wildlife. And do you know friends, development of hydropower projects in Himalayas has been controversial. Besides environmental impacts, just like in Joshimath and other parts of Uttarakhand, there are also concerns about the potential conflicts over water resources in the region. Now friends, in the last, a detailed assessment should be carried out to evaluate potential impact before proceeding with any project. ठीक। बाकी फ्रेंड्स, अदर पॉइंट्स you can go through this article and इससे रिलेटेड कुछ कंटेंट हमारी वेबसाइट पे भी अवेलेबल है, तो आप वहां से भी देख सकते हैं। ठीक। Our next important headline is cutting of Narega budget. It is available on page number 14 and here related to paper 2 welfare scheme से in this article we have to know why has MG Narega budget been reduced, repercussions and suggestions. तो दोस्तों, MG Narega को हमारी वेबसाइट पे कई बार बहुत अच्छे से कवर किया गया है एंड लिंक भी अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में। बाकी अभी न्यूज में इसलिए है क्योंकि रिसेंट यूनियन बजट allocated only 60,000 crore for the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act scheme for 2023-24. Our next and last important headline is North Star. It is available on page number 14 and here related to paper 3 space section से in this article we have to know about North Star. So friends, it sits more or less directly above Earth's North Pole along our planet's rotational axis, and this is the imaginary line that extends through the planet and out of the North and South poles, and Earth rotates around this line like a spinning top. ठीक। बाकी friends, other points you can go through this article. तो आज के लिए दोस्तों इतना ही। Thanks for listening. For regular updates you can follow us on various social media platforms.